Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're going to compare Shopify and WordPress, two very popular ways to build an online store. If you want to start selling online, both of these platforms can help you do that, but they work very differently. So that by the end of this video, you'll understand which one fits your needs better. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check that link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You will also get my complete Shopify course so you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform, gives you everything in one place. You get hosting, store, design tools, payment system, inventory tools, and customer support already included. You can create a store fast, even if you're a beginner. Now, WordPress, very different. It's mainly a website builder and a blogging tool. To turn it into a full online store, you need to install an extra plugin like WooCommerce. Now, that gives you a lot of freedom, but you have to manage more things on your own, unfortunately. Let's talk about features. Shopify has many built-in tools ready for selling online. You can track your products, handle payments, manage orders, and even sell in person using POS devices. It also has 24/7 live chat support and thousands of e-commerce apps so that you can add with one click. Everything is designed to make selling easier. WordPress with WooCommerce is also full of features, but you have to add most of them by yourself. You can choose any plugin or theme that you want, which gives you huge customization. You can make the store look and work exactly how you like, but it also means that setup can take more time and plugins may need updates or cause issues sometimes. Let's discuss the ease of use. Shopify is very beginner friendly. The dashboard is clear and you can start adding products right away. Even payments and shipping setups are simple because most tools are already connected. WordPress is more complex. You need to find hosting, install WooCommerce, choose a theme, and then set everything up manually. It gives you more control, but can feel confusing if you are new to websites. Next up, design and customization. Shopify has many clean and modern themes that you can edit without coding. You can still customize a lot, but Shopify keeps everything structured so that you do not break anything. WordPress, on the other hand, allows unlimited design freedom. If you know some coding, you can build anything you can imagine. If you don't know coding, you may still need plugins or a designer to get the exact look you're going for. Let's look at pricing. Shopify has the basic plan at $25 per month. Grow is $65 per month. Advanced is $399 per month. And the Plus plan starts at $2,300 per month. Now, WordPress works very differently. The platform itself is free, but you pay for hosting, themes, plugins, security, and then maintenance. A typical WordPress store built with WooCommerce can cost anywhere from $5 to $50 per month for hosting alone, and the price increases as you add paid extensions or higher performance servers. So, which one do you choose? Good question. If you want a store that is easy to start, simple to manage, and comes with everything included, Shopify is the best choice for most sellers. But if you want full control and you do not mind spending time learning or managing extra tools, then WordPress can be great because it gives you much more freedom. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check that link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you at all, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.